So you've got Fluent Community, congrats. But wait, did you know there are 7 must-do steps to unlock its full potential? Most users miss these and never see the results they're capable of. Let's dig in. Number 1, start with the ground rules. Before you dive into the details, it's crucial to set the tone of your community. Fluent Community lets you decide exactly how open or exclusive your space should be. You can even create a secret group for a select few. Yup, you can totally go under the radar too. And don't worry, once you've picked your privacy settings, you're not locked in. If your community's vibe changes over time, you can easily switch it up whenever you need to. Number 2, build your crew. Now that your privacy settings are locked in, it's time to get your people in. Fluent Community makes adding members incredibly simple. Head over to the member section, click Add Member, and you'll be able to pull from your existing WordPress users. Need to add someone who is not an existing WordPress user? Just type in their email and they will receive the invitation. Number 3, call the shots. Every community needs a bit of structure, and with Fluent Community, you're the one holding the reins. Once your members are in, you can assign moderators and admins. Just head to the member section of any space and change the membership status. Or you can just add managers from the settings if you need someone to oversee not just the space, but the whole community. It's all about the balance and trust, and Fluent Community gives you the tools to manage it all. Number 4, keep it flexible. Things change, and your community will need to evolve with those changes. If you ever need to update community details, simply head to the group settings. Whether it's the group name, the description, or any other information, just make the adjustments. And if you're ready to move on from a group, deleting a community is just as easy. Number 5, add your signature touch. Personalization is everything, and Fluent Community gives you the ability to make your space stand out. It's not just about adding a logo. This is where you can truly reflect your community's personality. Choose an image that matches your group's vibe. Once that's done, make sure everything feels like you. This isn't just about making your space look good. It's about making it feel like home for your members. Number 6, amp up the energy. Want to keep your community buzzing? Leaderboards are an excellent way to do just that. People love recognition, and leaderboards add an element of fun and motivation. Plus, it gives your members a sense of achievement, and the more they engage, the stronger your community becomes. It's a win-win situation. And the last one, number 7, experience your way. Now that you've got all your settings in place, it's time to optimize how you and your members experience the community. Fluent Community offers 2 distinct view modes. Want to see a neat, organized list of posts and activities? Go with the list view. Prefer to scroll through a dynamic story-like feed of updates? Timeline view is the way to go. But it doesn't stop there. Fluent Community also lets you filter posts based on what you want to see. Searching for specific topics? Looking for trending posts? Just apply the filters and let the platform do the rest. Now that you have the tools to get started, it's time to build your community just the way you envision. From setting privacy to personalizing your space, every choice helps create an experience that stands out. So why wait? Grab Fluent Community now, explore unique tools, and make it your own. Your community's growth starts now.